Hey there, this is Peggy Yee with Frankly Realtors, and I am here at the Bexley, which is one of Tysons' newest condo communities, here for a tour. So the Bexley is located in Tysons, just off of Old Meadow Road. So you can see here's a model of the building. There are 5 levels above ground with the units, and then there's 2 levels of underground parking here. Some of the features of this community is that it actually backs here up to Scotts Run Park. So it's kind of a nice, nature feature of this community as well. And so you can see it's like a U shape here. And then in the middle, there's going to be a courtyard, with barbecue grills and just some nice relaxation outdoor space here. You can see in the below, you've got the secure parking garage here. And then off to the side here, there is also going to be another park as well over here. And then you're back onto Old Meadow Road. So one of the great things about the Bexley is how close it is to a lot of future development here in Tysons. So if we look at the map here, you can see that the Bexley is right here, and we've got really close to us the Mclean METRO is going to be the closest metro. There's a future Wegmans coming in here, and there's just a ton of development that Capital One is doing on its campus as well. And so we're right across from 123 there. And then if you come down a little bit more, you'll see that there's, we've got the Tysons Galleria, we've got the Tysons Mall, we've got Tysons Metro here, and then even further down, you've got the Greensboro Metro, as well as one of the largest Whole Foods in the region that is coming in here as well. So just a lot of development going on here, and at the Bexley, you're pretty much right in the center. So that's a tour of the Bexley community, which is one of Tysons' newest condo communities. If you guys have any questions about the units, the pricing, or the features of this place, feel free to reach out to me anytime, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks.